form only. So the second button is for showing the database. The database exists in the same sheet. So this one is the menu first sheet. If you will press add search applicants detail, you will get a form popped up. You have to enter the name, like let me enter my name. Let me enter my age, address, identification, income, occupation, and I have to select whether I am already a card holder or not. So the bank logo goes here. If you need it, I can remove it as well. As soon as you enter the values and press add, the fields get updated and you can see all the entries here. Now the second part, if you want to edit this second name, you have to double click and you will see all the values here. Now if you want to change this and change it for Sajid and press update, you will see the name and all every whichever the field you want to change, you can change it and then you can press update. I'm showing only two things here, serial number with name, so that the confidentiality of data will remain there. We can show more details like age, address, identification, income, all the details here as well. There is no problem in it. So the other thing, if you want to delete this entry, you have to double click and press delete. You can see the entry have been deleted. Let me try this again. Let me press Muhammad Sajid, which is on number 2 and Fiverr on number 3. Let me double click on this one and press delete. You can see Fiverr shifted to serial number 2. So again, if you want to enter another name, you can enter the name and then press. Once you are done, you can press save and all the changes will be updated in the database. As you can see, the pop-up data saved in parent database. You can press OK. Now if you want to see access the number data in the Excel form, you can press this button and you will be on the database tab. You can see all the changes here. I have added a serial number and a timestamp. The timestamp will allow you to get exact time with the date when the user entered the value. Okay, so when you will come back on the menu sheet and then press again menu tab, you can again enter any value. Let me enter random value. I have added some validation as well because so that you cannot enter alphabets here. One more thing, let me start fresh. If you will leave it empty and try to add, this will not allow you. So this is the efficient reflection. Now you will enter 123 any numeric number in the name field. This will also not allow you. This will ask you to enter the name in text. Once you enter the name in text and try to enter, no, the form is generated so that once all the fields are updated and filled, there is no empty field, then you can add the entry. Okay, so the same for the age. If you will enter alphabets here, this will not allow you. This will ask you to enter the age in numbers only. So you have to add age in numbers, and then address. You can put anything. Let me street 4, identification number, anything you can enter. You can enter anything here. Maybe this has been left for numeric and alphanumeric as well, because if someone writes like $9,000, so this will allow it. Occupation, once more time, and then you can select the drop down, press no, press update. That's it. I hope you like this. Now you don't need the second form for the searching of the data. You just need to double click and you will get the data. Once you have more than the entries, you will get a scroll here and you can drag scroll and directly select the name you want to select. Okay, so please let me know if you need anything else for any further